Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, we're going to break down Bitcoin very, very quickly because I haven't done this in a while. Now, I will just say, technically, right, we should be going lower a little bit more because we haven't closed where we want to close. If we look at it on a monthly, right, we can just see with our eyes right here is a big, big, big support and resistance zone. What do we want? We want candles to be closing above here, okay? So pretty much we want a blue candle, right? Close for a blue candle, the closing is the top. So we want it pretty much to close above this blue box, okay? And last month, right, August, red candles, they close at the bottom because they're a sell. They closed right here below the 61K mark. So not the most ideal. However, when we look at the price action is different than it was before, okay? So what do I think is going to happen? Now remember, this is a prediction and I don't have enough confirmation to know 100% that this is going to happen. But this is what I'm looking at for now. So we saw, right? We went up sideways a little bit and then we broke structure with this big candle over here, right? And then you can tell the momentum shift because here we were chilling for a couple of days below the support that now turned into resistance and we're kind of just chilling lower. Overall, I do think we will be going into this order block over here, right? This is where I would be looking to get potential buy setups or entries. I know that's 52 to around 53K mark, which is not the most ideal, but the charts never lie. So I do think this liquidity here will be getting swept, right? People definitely have some sell stops over here. So this will get swept. All this will get swept. I think we'll go into the order block, right? There's a chance, right? Bitcoin being Bitcoin could technically sweep this before we have some kind of retracement. But overall, the order block is the first area I'm looking for, okay? That is my first target. And then if I was to leverage trade, I would be either taking a wider stop, right? Or I'd be looking to break it down on lower time frame, potentially, either enter here or here with a tighter stop. Okay. So that is that. Now, when we go on the 3-month candles, overall, this is still looking good. For me, what this is like we can clearly see that this big candle, 3 months of momentum, is huge. Okay. And compare to the last 3-month candles, right? Sell off at the moment, sell off, but nothing crazy, right? We might guess another a little bit more candles and before we start getting momentum to the upside. Something like this, right? This is where we might be at with Bitcoin. Now, that means we'd have to wait, but it is what it is. I personally will not be panicking. I personally am going to be stacking my positions on crypto because, if something is, let's say render, it goes to $5, right? $5, and then it goes down to 350. Now I buy some at 350. Then it goes back up to 425. Then I buy some at 425. And I'm just gonna keep dollar cost averaging, keep stacking my positions because one, let's say 8 to 16 months from now, I believe render will be at, let's say, a peak of like 140, right? So me buying at 3 to, let's say, $7, even eventually maybe even like $10, that's fine with me because I still believe that we're going to be hitting this price. My timing might be a little bit off when we're going to start launching, but I will be paying extremely, extremely close attention to when it's time to sell because that is the more harder and important part. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys enjoyed. I guys talk to you guys next time.